Hello, my name is Claire Elouard, and I invite you to join a 2-day workshop on our connection with nature and its energy. In this workshop, we will first work on our grounding, our connection with the soil, our anchoring, and how we can work on our stability of the mind, of the body, and of the spirit. And then we will work on our connection with trees, with their qualities, their energy, and how the different types of energy can help us to be more grounded, to be lighter, to be more connected with our heart, or to have more energy, to get energy when we are feeling a bit down, a bit tired. And we will also explore a deeper connection with one particular tree that we could call a companion tree. And we will explore more and more things about all the elements of nature and their qualities and energy. So we'll have a lot of fun together. See you soon!